So am I expecting what's on my shoulder right here to be either difficult or easy? I don't know, but shouldn't be. But I think what I've got to do to get it in here, yeah, that might be a little tough just because I'm by myself. Hey, what you doing? What you doing? What you doing, huh? This is kind of like my idea. So we've got these Hallmaster moving whatever wheel things that I've had. I use them to, you know, move around heavy objects that are in the garage. Just makes it easier, just throw it on there. Like take a rear end or transmission, you just kind of just toss it on there and you can slide it around. And so the idea is to go ahead and put these together, use that sheet of plywood that's right here, and I want to lay it down on top of these and basically screw it like a triangle. So 2 of these Hallmasters at one end, and then one basically at the other end, kind of in the center, and you'll see kind of, I guess, what my idea or what I'm trying to figure out here. Let's go ahead and put this thing together, this disaster. Now, see, who would have thought? I thought I was done touching this stuff. Not this, but the stuff that we've got right there in that crate. Nah, no. You'll see what I'm talking about. Grab this. In this crate, sheetrock tool. What I figured is that's all I'm going to need to basically penetrate this plywood and to affix it onto these padded little skids right here. So let's throw that together. What you doing? So I want to take these and set these up good side down. And this is basically like 48 by 48. It's almost a square. It's like, I think it's like 47 by whatever. I know this is kind of weird what I'm doing as far as setting this up, but you'll see the point of this. There is a method to my madness. Just lining up my edges. The plywood's, you know, relatively square. Doesn't need to be, you know, crazy imperative. Gonna grab my gun. Just putting some screws in. Just holding it together. And you'll see the point of this. What this is going to do. Jesus, curious. So there we go. So this is the idea. Just basically throw the wheels on the bottom here. Maybe you kind of get the gist of what's going on here. It's just a massive flat skateboard. This is a new edition Raptor, man. You know what I'm saying? But anyways. So this is actually going to be the platform for my plow. I'm going to take my plow, bring it in here. I'm going to try to get it kind of like angled up to the door of my garage because I got an 8-foot door, basically in width. And my plow, it's a 9.6, and retracted, it's literally a 9-foot plow, so it kind of doesn't fit. So what I'm going to do is basically just throw the plow on the truck, raise it up, place it down right onto this platform that I just made right here, and bring it up to the garage, turn it sideways, roll it right in. That way I can work on it under the lights, undercover, whatever. So let's just get that plow on there and start the day. Oh, what is it, hailing out? You kidding me? It's actually cold enough to snow. Ah, this is great. Here, Big Black. Screaming. 14.2. Not too bad. Water and fuel. What else is new? There's always water in Big Black's fuel. I think I got to replace the filters or something. What do you think? The plan is to grab that sheet of plywood that I had, and I'm going to set it up underneath the plow. The whole point of this is basically to be able to support this whole section of the plow. That way I can just roll it right in. Looks good. I think it should be fine. Looks like the foot pad's going to be nice right there. And then the blade's centered pretty much like that. Let's just set it down, see what happens. Yeah, that's much better. So that's working out. Now I'll be able to get that foot down. Check this out. So that's how it's set up. All the weight's at the front anyway, because that's where the majority of the weight is for the plow. Now let's just roll it into the garage. Hey, babe. Get all the puppies out.
You don't need to go to it. You don't.
Come on, guys.
You just be fine.
So now we can watch the fun of me struggling, trying to get this plow in here by myself. So let's go. I'll just set it up like that. See, it's getting dark out. It should go. This is the fun This is the part that I knew kind of was going to be a struggle, is getting these wheels finally up on their winter equipment. All those boxes. Fun part is going to be trying to get this thing in here.
Do you need my help?
That should be all right.
Well, obviously you don't need the dogs anyway.
Nope.
Alright. Wait, is the back door open?
I don't think so.
Alright guys, let's go back the other way. Come on.
This will be the fun part. Because this thing weighs like, what, 800 to 1,000 pounds? I'm going to try to do this by myself. Oh yeah. Hey Barry, where are you? Want to give me a hand? So what I ended up doing was I grabbed this 2x4 here and I pried it up underneath that wheel right there, and I was able to get that on. Now it's just figuring out if I can move this further. Just give it a push from the back maybe, see what happens. That works. Cool. Those wheels are on. No problem. Got it right in, huh? So it's there. Hey, helper, thank you. Thanks for pushing that backside for me. That was awesome. You're wicked strong. Now let's push this baby forward a little bit more. Now that it's in here, come on, go. Look at that, huh? Rollability. This thing's got rollability now. Yeah, it's cool. That works out. That's nice. All right. Come on. All right. Plow's in. So, the whole purpose of that madness was taking care of stuff like that right there. So you can see, got some major cracking, and that's my lift piston. So we don't want any issues with that. And then last season, I had already replaced one of the hoses here, and I had another one made up. But we're gonna go ahead, and now that this thing's in here, I can do some things on it that kind of, are needing to be done. I might even polish the blade. Who knows? Why not, right? Pledge it. Like when we were kids. We would take pledge with us and pledge the bottoms of our sleds before we'd go down a hill, and man, would you rock it down the hill. Let's get these hoses changed out. This plow's still looking pretty mint. Be able to lube all these hinges, and especially this hinge right here. I'll be able to inject some grease into those holes right there. That'll be nice. So we'll go ahead and we'll get this going. So I mean, look at it. It's just stuck in there. So I'm taking this off. That's part of what you got to do when you own a plow. So it's part of maintenance. You know what I mean?